Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can use split feature in Microsoft Excel so that you could see the two different sections of the same document simultaneously. Over here you can see we have a data of some people with their heights and weight listed in front of their names. Let's suppose we have to make a comparison. Let's suppose I have to make a comparison between Michael's height and weight. Let me highlight it, and that between Andrew, again I'm going to highlight it. What I would do, simply I will have to scroll down to see the weight and height of Andrew and then scroll up and compare their height and weight with Michael. Now just suppose you have hundreds and thousands of names with their height and weight details given. It would become quite tedious to make a comparison between two sections of the same documents. This is where comes in this split features for our rescue. I would simply click on this row containing Michael, go to View tab, and here you can see we have split feature. Click over it, and now you can see our document has two instances where we can make a comparison pretty easily. Now you can just scroll this up. If somehow you find that you have made a wrong split, then you can simply hold it and drag it down like this. Now you can scroll it like this, go to Andrew, and there you are. Now both the names are side by side and you can easily make a comparison between their weight and height. This was just an example to show you how you can use this split feature to view two different sections of the same document. And if you want to disable it, just go to split again and click over it, and they are disabled. You can also split a document vertically as well. Let me show you. For example, you want to see the departments and their respective salaries side by side in this long document. What you would do, simply click over it, select this particular column, go to split, and there we are. Now you can simply go to the first instance of the document, click over it, and just go to the salary, and now you can see department right next to salary, and you can easily make a comparison. And if somehow you think that you have made a wrong split, you can simply drag it to a new location as well, like this. Again, you can disable it by clicking split. One more option that I do not use quite often is splitting a document into 4 sections. Just click into any of the cell and click on split, and now you can see your document has been split into 4 sections. You can see, and again go to the bottom replica of the same document, and you can make a comparison. Often this becomes quite confusing for me, so I don't often use this particular feature. Click on split again, and there you are. I hope you have found this tutorial useful. Please give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.